Hi guys, my name is Dr. Studebaker, and I am an orthodontist in Spring, Texas. My office is located in the Klein School District area, so you may be familiar with it since it is close by. This is my office. Isn't it nice? I love coming to work here every day. Right now, I'm going to take you through our office so I can introduce you to me in real life. I should be in my office right now, so let's go check if I'm there. Oh, look, there I am. Do you guys have an idea about what I do as an orthodontist? If you said we look at teeth, you're absolutely right. Us orthodontists look at teeth just like dentists do. However, we look at teeth in a little bit of a different way. When you go to the dentist, they will clean your teeth super well, and they will check for cavities and make sure your teeth and gums are super healthy. Dentists are super important because keeping your teeth and gums clean is very important for your health. Orthodontists also have the same training as dentists, but we specialize in a specific kind of service. We help people straighten their teeth to give them great smiles. Here, let me show you an example. Take a look at these pictures. Which set of teeth do you think has a straighter and healthier smile? Great job, guys. Yes, the second picture, the one on the right, is a lot straighter than the teeth in the first picture. But do you guys want to know the craziest part? Both of these sets of teeth are the same. They belong to the same person. This is just a before and after picture of a patient of mine who I have treated in the past. Their teeth naturally grew in a little misaligned or crooked and a little off-centered, but I was able to help those teeth get into a better and straighter position to give this person an amazing smile. Do you know how I was able to move these teeth into the right position? That's right, with the use of braces. Orthodontists can move teeth into their straight positions. You might know a friend, cousin, or older sibling who has had braces before. For braces to work, you attach a little bracket to each individual tooth. After all the teeth have brackets, we are able to attach a wire connecting all the teeth together. The final step is to add a rubber band to make sure the wires stay in place. Throughout this process, we are able to help move those teeth into the right positions. If you have braces, you will need to see the orthodontist every few weeks so we can make the proper adjustments and make sure everything is working right. So we know you're on the right path to get those teeth straight. Now, this is the fun part because every time you come in, you get to choose the color rubber bands you want on your teeth. You can choose any color you want, and then whenever you smile, everyone will be able to see all those colors. You can choose blue, green, pink, or purple. Or if you have a favorite sports team, you can choose those colors. Let's see. If you're an Astros fan, you can get orange, blue, and white rubber bands. Or if it's Christmas time, you can be super festive and choose red and green. And if you can't decide one color, well, why not get them all? And you can have a rainbow smile like the one you see here.
Okay, guys, so that's a little bit about what orthodontists do.
Thank you so much for sharing, Doc, about what orthodontists do. But why did you decide to become an orthodontist, and what do you like so much about it?
Well, guys, I just really enjoyed working with kids. I really loved the way I could see a kid's smile go from um, teeth being a little crooked and them not so happy with their teeth to having beautiful straight teeth and how big their smiles become afterwards. I just really enjoyed making that transition. Really makes people happy, and I'm happy when they're happy.
So you guys may be wondering how I was able to become an orthodontist. Because I started as a young kid, just like you. Well, let's start at the beginning. As a young boy, I loved exploring and playing sports with friends, but I also loved to learn. I finished and graduated high school, and then I decided to go to college in a state called Indiana. I got something called a Bachelor of Arts from a school called Manchester College in the state of Indiana. Because I knew I wanted to become a dentist, I knew I had to go to dental school after I finished the 4 years of college in Indiana. So I decided to go to school at the Ohio State University. Go Buckeyes! After 4 years at Ohio State, I was able to receive my DDS, or Doctor of Dental Surgery, which means that I was finally a dentist. Now that I was able to practice dentistry, well, I decided to be a dentist for the Navy. So I did my first year in a dental residency, or a mini school, in a naval hospital in San Diego. After being a hospital dentist for a year, I was able to practice dentistry at different naval bases around San Diego. And guess what? I was a dentist at a Navy ship. Look at this ship. I practiced dentistry on board this ship for 3 years, and it was awesome. Here's a picture of me and my Navy buddies. The Navy and practicing dentistry was such a great time for me. But remember, I'm an orthodontist now. Like I said, during my time as a dentist, I loved the orthodontic part, so I wanted to become a true orthodontist. Remember, orthodontics is a specialty of dentistry, so I had to do a little more learning. I spent 2 years at another school. It was an orthodontic residency at a place called Wilford Hall Medical Center. After those 2 years, I was now officially an orthodontist for the Navy. I moved to Japan for 3 years and worked on the Navy base as an orthodontist. It was crazy going to Japan because it was all the way across the world and the culture was so different from what I was used to in the United States. But it was a great experience and I loved living in Japan. After those 3 years, I returned to Texas, and that's where I finally settled down. At this point, I was now a part of the Naval Reserve, which I am still a part of to this day. Now I have two jobs. I'm an orthodontist in Texas, and I travel and work for the Navy on the weekends. I have been able to live in so many places throughout my life. I've lived in Puerto Rico, Indiana, Ohio when I was young, and then when I became a dentist and an orthodontist, I lived in San Diego, Japan, and now Texas. During this whole time, I was helping people and their teeth, but I was also growing my family. I married my wife, got a dog, and had 4 children. I have been able to travel to so many places with them. My favorite place to go is the beach. So I've been able to enjoy so much adventure too. I could not be happier with my family today and the profession I have. It brings me so much joy each and every day to do what I love and be surrounded by the people I love. Like I said, I'm part of the Naval Reserves now. I have been able to focus now on growing and supporting my Studebaker Orthodontics office here in Spring, Texas. Usually, we see about 70 patients each day. New people come into our office every day needing help to achieve the smile they want, and I'm always here to help. I love helping them get those smiles. I would love to say that I can do it all on my own, but I would never be able to do it without the team I have around me. I have a team of orthodontic assistants who help me treat patients every day. I mean, look at this team. How could you not get a beautiful smile with these people helping you? At my practice, we have 7 orthodontic assistants that help me put on and adjust braces on our patients to get them on track to those incredible smiles. These assistants are so important because they support me in everything I do, and I would not be able to help my patients without them. Look, you can see me right now working with one of my orthodontic assistants helping one of my patients. To become an orthodontic assistant, you have to go to school for about 1 year. But then, after that, you will be able to work in an office just like mine. I also have a great team of assistants in the front office. Even though these people don't work directly with the patient's mouth adjusting braces, they are just as important in this office. They are the first people you see when you walk in and probably the first people you talk to when you call us. They help me with scheduling patients and maintaining that schedule. With seeing a lot of patients, you would think things would get crazy, but the assistants at the front organize appointments, creating an efficient schedule. They also help by answering questions, describing different treatment plans, and organizing finances to support all the families that come into my office. Everyone in this office is part of our team, so everyone plays a role in making this office a successful and happy place. The people make this office a great space, but we also have awesome technology that help us give our best to our patients. We have top of the line instruments or tools used to adjust and maintain braces. We also have a great sanitation process to make sure everything we use stays as clean as it can be. We even have 3D printers in our office. Instead of taking molds of your teeth with foam, we can scan your teeth with our scanner and print the molds with a 3D printer. This is how we're able to make retainers which help keep your teeth straight, even after you don't have braces anymore. I like to keep my office clean and up to date with the latest technologies and filled with positive energy. We really just like to have fun in this office because getting braces is fun. We love helping you get that amazing smile you deserve, a smile that will make you want to walk down the street grinning all the way, spreading that positive energy. My creative team helps put on fun events for not only ourselves, but our patients and the community. It is always a joy to work with our patients and help them get those smiles. Maybe even someday you can become an orthodontist too. Thank you for listening, guys. Have a great day.